Consider this. You have a DataStage project that uses several parallel jobs which uses, say, Oracle Connector, and you want to replace them with a Snowflake Connector. Why would you want to do that? You may want to move database from Oracle to Snowflake or any other database. This change needs to be done in all your parallel jobs. One way to do it is manually. Build a team of developers, give them a conversion guideline, test them. This could be a pain, costing you a lot of time and effort of several days. An efficient alternative is to use DataDios P2P. DataDios is a tool that provides a visual interface for converting DataStage objects from one connector or stage to another. It comes with a combination of source and target connectors and stages. P2P can do the same job in minutes. Your project is now up to 90% ready. Open DataDios, choose P2P, Workflow, select Source Stage and the Target Stage, select Input File, choose Source and Target Stages. DataDios gives an insight of the jobs. You can view the job, click to convert. Converted code is ready. DataDios P2P accelerates the migration for a stage or a connector, minimizes manual errors. Save your time and money, use DataDios P2P.